It's all right, man. Go on, Beres Hammond.
Special about you, still you're playing in my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last in my life. Presently, all the most wanted at the top of my life. He was yesterday. I saw you down the lane. You were my best friend. You're fit to play. Yo, so I'm falling in love with you again.
Find out your heart and give me one more try. I want love. Sweet love is true, but we get great time. Oh my God, please come along, in love over again. Never doubt that you are my friend. I'm falling in love all over again.
things are going right. My world is topsy-turvy. There's no hope. It's no use explaining. Better come see what's going on. Memories out of war, so my mind like misty water, but I miss far away the world. Pictures of the smiles we left behind. Smiles we gave to one another for the way we were. Listen to me, baby. Listen to me, my sweet. These things I'm saying, honestly, I'm coming straight. That's the thing that puts me in the dark. I cherish everyone that you're around. I might not show you, but I can't find words to say. I can't say I love you, but I can't try. I just have to reason the words every day. I wish you would stay longer. Right up my life. Solid emotion, solid of the world. I know I should please the world. He loved to be just the next.
I'm knocking at your door. It ain't nothing much you can't do about it. Real love, come visit in your heart.
Giving something, don't know what to say.
Real love, come knocking at your door. Ain't nothing much you can't do about it. Real love, come visit in your heart. Free with giving something, don't know what to say. I wish you would stay longer.
Oh, now, right up my life, like this before.
I wish you would stay longer.
But just like magic, sugar. This is endless love between you and I. We personally call me family. We don't know what to call me. I love for the man. We never do without. I was so rusty. What good family? Could you give me a beat of your time? Let me show you what's there on my mind. And I'm in love without control. Oh yes, I'm in love. You're on my mind, baby. So one step ahead and you're fine. One step behind and you're down. You got to be where that sunlight shining. Oh, one step ahead and you're one step behind and you're down. You got to be there's my light shining, shining. You know, there's something about 1976 when a lot of you weren't born yet.
No, I was two.
You,
I was two.
you didn't born?
Yes. Yes.
When you
It was 2 years old.
When I've been thinking about it, I've been saying to myself, Beres, you came a long way. When I tell them to say, Beres, you are responsible for baby boom. The last son. What am I son? How is true? How is true? You know that the gentleman is a pervert? You know, they'll get the fact. You know, they'll ask me how can I suffer. What a beautiful family. Damn, man, can I sit closer to you? Will you allow me to just relax by your raggedy ass? That's what the optics said. Leave this world in the morning. It's not far away. Surely getting to be alone. For the third time this week, in the golden city. For leaving now I'll be losing my mind. But my mind said, you never get tired. And you never get over. No one's knocking on the door. Disrespecting the notice. She might not say that you ain't tenderness in life. When I look in her eyes, baby, it's as clear as a morning sun. Gotta take time off, leave the rest of fun. I hope you like it and sound.
Hope we never get tired, and I never have to go to work. No one's knocking on the door, disrespecting the notice. Son,
No,
baby's
baby's crying, no one's blowing, just the whisper
the voices all day long.
Won't you come a little closer?
Pass me.
Pass me my orange juice. Reach over, hold me, baby, just like this.
Just like that.
Gonna be night and love all through the day and night. I hope the light ain't just like say,
Hope you never get tired,
and
and I never have to go to work.
no one
No one's knocking on the door,
disrespecting
the notice.
no,
Baby's crying,
no, no one's blowing. Just a whisper of a voice saying, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Just a whisper of her voice saying, just a whisper of her voice saying, oh, dear.
If you want to hear it.
Do you remember? And if you don't, just listen. Some love, Hey, I remember when you used to walk hand in hand. You were so close to me, and now all of my dreams are gone away, and loneliness came yesterday, yeah. And my heart is filled with pain. I love you. Tell me
what did I do?
why.
Why are we through?
Oh, before
Only I knew, only I knew.
say, I'm gonna burn.
Burn in the morning sun and you wait until evening come and I will not leave until you tell me what I've done.
Yes, I'm gonna burn.
Burn in the morning sun and
And away.
wait until evening come and I will not leave until you
Tell me what I did.
Yes.
I'm reminiscing, going back through the years, you know, that you made me a singer. Thank you. Thank you for your love. Did you know that love
means never to say that you're sorry.
how could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? Oh, not in such a way. God, oh, it will
Just the other day,
told me you were sorry. It was
that's so long ago.
talked about the same thing. Darling, why? Please tell me why. Lover, behaving such a way. Did you know?
Love me,
Never
never to say that you're sorry.
how could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? No, 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 no. Hey, woman, it was
Just the other night,
told me you love me and then you
whisper in my ear.
sweet word.